Sorry. Chapter 1. The Sad Girl. Rena was just 22. She was young, she was pretty, and she was very clever. She dreamed of becoming a doctor. She wanted to help people. But her dream seemed so far. Life was hard for her. Her mother died 3 years ago. Rena missed her mother every day. After that, home felt empty. No one showed her love. Her father was there, but he was mean. He drank too much every night. He yelled at Rena. He never asked if she was okay. He never cared about her wishes. He only thought about money. Sometimes Rena sat alone in her room and cried. She held her old notebooks and whispered, "Mom, if you were here, I wouldn't hurt so much. If you were here, I could chase my dream without tears." She looked at the sky and pictured her mom smiling back. It gave her a bit of hope, but not for long. Her father's words were always sharp. One night he shouted, "Rena, stop this nonsense. Forget school. Get a job in a shop. Work all day. Bring me cash. I need my drinks." Rena's tears came fast. She begged, "Dad, please. I want to study. I want to make something of myself." But he screamed, "No more talk. Work starts tomorrow. Dreams are for fools." Rena felt crushed. She whispered alone, "Why is life so unfair? Why does no one see my pain?" She longed for her mom. Her world was dark. But one boy brought light. His name was Raj. He was poor too, but his heart was big. He always said, "Rena, keep fighting. One day we'll escape this. One day you'll be a doctor." Rena heard him and felt stronger. She thought, with Raj by my side, maybe things can change. Her dad hated Raj. He said, "That boy is worthless. He's broke. He can't help you." But Rena knew better. She told herself, Raj has no riches, but he has real love. That's worth more than gold. Days passed like this. Pain from Dad, hope from Raj, tears in secret. Rena was stuck between fear and dreams. She didn't know what was next. But change was coming. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 2. Spark of Love. Rena cried most nights after her dad's anger. She felt her life slipping away before it began. She wanted to learn. She wanted to win. But Dad only saw her as a way to get money. He didn't think of her future. He only thought of his bottles. In her worst times, one face made her smile. Raj. He wasn't fancy, no big house or car, but he had a pure soul. He loved Rena truly. Raj met Rena after her mom's death. At first, just a friend. He listened when no one else would. He talked when she felt lost. Soon, friendship became love. Rena's heart opened to him. One afternoon, with eyes full of tears, Rena sat with Raj. He said gently, "Rena, don't cry. I feel you're hurt. I may not have cash, but I have love. I'll never leave." Rena looked up and asked, "Why stay with me? I have nothing." Raj took her hand. "You are my world. Your smile is treasure. I don't need money if I have you." Rena's tears fell, but she felt warm. She said, "Raj, my dad breaks me. My dreams fade. Only you keep me going." Raj touched her arm. "You'll study one day. You'll be free. I'll stand by you. We'll fight together." When Dad yelled, Raj soothed her. When she wanted to quit, Raj reminded her of her power. She told him, "Raj, Mom would adore you. She'd be glad I found you." Raj smiled. "I wish she could see us, but she's in your heart. Be strong for her." Rena nodded. She whispered, "Mom, I'll try. I won't fall." Raj worked odd jobs, earned little, but shared. When Rena asked why, he said, "My life is ours. Every bit is for us." It touched her. How can he love so much with so little? Dad gives pain. Raj gives hope. She learned love beats money. Loyalty can't be bought. One day, after more yelling, Rena ran to Raj. She cried, "I'm done. I want to escape." Raj held her. "Not yet. Your moment will come. I'm here. Even if everyone turns away, I'm yours." Rena asked, "What if we get split? What if Dad forces me?" Raj said firmly, "Nothing can break us. I love you more than life." Rena smiled through sobs. "I'm not alone." Raj wiped her face. "Never." Hard days, but Raj's love gave strength. Hope grew. Maybe life would turn. But she sensed Dad plotting. His eyes were cold. She feared the worst. For now, Raj was her light. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 3. Hard Decisions. Reena tried to be brave. She repeated Raj's words. Things will improve. I'll study soon. But Dad made it tougher. He saw her only as a money source, not a daughter. One drunk night, he roared, Reena, drop these silly ideas. No more books. You're grown. Work now. Bring cash. Reena sobbed. Dad, let me learn. I want to make you proud. His face hardened. He slammed the door. No, tomorrow. Find a job. Shop, factory, anything. 3 shifts. I need peace. Reena locked her room, held books tight. Mom, you'd stop this. You believed in me. Now I'm alone. Tears soaked pages. She wanted to yell but stayed quiet. Next day, Dad forced her out. Go, come back with money. No choice. Reena went to a store. Manager said, clean floors, sell items, late hours, pay is low. Reena agreed. That night she came home exhausted. Hands hurt, eyes droopy. She gave money. Dad grabbed it, smirked, bought drinks. No thanks. Reena thought, am I just his bank? Raj saw her next. She looked drained. Reena, okay? She tried smiling, but failed. Working now. Dad takes all. My dream dies bit by bit. Raj held her. Don't quit. We'll find a path. I'm here. Reena shook head. I fear Dad wants more, something bad. Raj said, I'll protect you. But fear lingered. That evening, Dad smiled oddly. Good work, but not enough. You're young, pretty. You can earn more. Reena's heart froze. What? He said. You'll see. Sleepless night. Mom, danger's near. Dad's scheming. Next, she told Raj, he might force marriage for money. Raj cupped her face. I'll fight. Can't lose you. Tears flowed. But we're poor, no power. Raj whispered, love is power. Reena wanted to trust, but storm brewed. Dad wasn't done. He'd choose for her, a choice to shatter her. That night, Dad grinned cruelly. Found a way. No more waste. Marry a rich man. He pays well. You'll go. Reena froze. No, Dad. I love Raj. I want studies. Slap came hard. Quiet. Decision made. Marry next week. Reena fell crying. Why ruin me? Dad ignored. Slammed door. All night tears. Mom, save me. Can't marry without love. Life-changing wrong way. Like, subscribe and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 4. The Bad Husband. Reena's heart shattered after Dad's plan. Sleepless, crying, marrying a stranger. Mom, why leave? You'd protect me. Next day at work, face pale, eyes red, world crumbling. In park, she cried on bench. A man watched. Vikram, 38, rich but evil. Used women, tossed them, saw Reena. Beautiful, innocent. I want her. Reena, unaware, whispered, Mom, strength, please. Vikram smirked cruelly, decided to take her. Days later, Dad called. Man's Vikram, rich, wedding soon. Reena begged, no, love Raj, studies first. Dad raged, slapped. Shut up, Raj is trash. Marry Vikram. Reena wailed, don't break me. Heart's Raj's. Another slap, fell. Enough, wedding next week. That night, secret meet with Raj, face swollen. Dad forcing Vikram. Raj paled. No, you're mine. What do? Poor, can't run. Raj held. My love stays, always. Reena sobbed. Love enough, life cruel. Raj close, don't quit. We'll unite. Helpless, poor against world. Reena dreaded days. Dad sold her soul. Vikram waited, weak nightmare. Daily reminders. Wedding near, obey. Reena prayed, Mom, stop this. No reply. Day neared. Thought of Raj's smile love. Raj, my light. They're dragging me dark. In dark, Vikram greedy, ready to claim. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 5. Trapped in Wedding. Wedding hit like thunder. Reena unwanted. Heart Raj's, but Dad pushed. Dressed bride, eyes tears. Smiles around, she died inside. Mom, you'd cry too. Not my choice. Vikram stood, smile fake. Proud he bought her. Dad happy, deal done. For him, business. For Reena, prison. After, alone in room, shaking. Don't want this, want Raj. Life why? Vikram entered, creepy smile. You're mine, forget dreams. Give what I want, Reena cried. Let go, no love. Vikram laughed. Don't need love, need you. Night, worst. Cried, begged, no mercy. Raj, need you, Mom, need you. Tears till numb, days worse. Vikram banned studies. No books? Have me? Reena silent, burning. House steal all? Dad sold to monster? First month, used her. Treated trash. Nightly quiet cries. Raj, wish your arms. Slowly, Vikram bored, ignored her. Asked for basics, he sneered. Dress? No. Silence. Reena prisoner. Wealth around, but empty. Money, no love. Poorer now. Night, corner cry. Mom broken, sold, used, no life. Remembered Dad's force, Raj's tears, trapped, but spark lived. Can't stay forever, won't let kill soul. Free one day. Nights long, days heavy. Ignore hurt, angered. Stole studies, freedom, respect. I'll rise. Wiped tears, pain deep, hope alive. Story not over. Like, subscribe and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 6. The Cost of Freedom. 6 months married. Felt like forever. No joy, no freedom. Vikram cold, no respect, no care. Silent life, heart cracking. Nightly whispers, not my dream. Wanted healing love, now pain. Clung to Raj's words. Free one day, together. Like lifeline. Evening faced Vikram. Tired eyes, strong voice. Can't live this, no care, divorce please. Vikram laughed cold. Freedom costs. Paid Dad $80,000. Return it, then go. Reena shook. You bought me? Vikram nodded. Deal. Money or stay. Heart shattered. Cried. Dad betrayed. Sold daughter. Fell. Tears. Mom, you said trust Dad. He destroyed. Vikram walked, crying useless, money or forget. Longest night. Awake. Pillow wet. Father like this? I'm price? Wished Mom's hug. Silence only. Next, secret with Raj. Pale. Shaking. Dad sold. Vikram wants $80,000 back. Raj pained. How? Unfair. Reena sobbed. No hope. I'm worthless. Raj held. No. You're my life. Not price. Strong. Reena wept. How get money? Poor. Raj fiery. Don't know but love you. Won't leave. Work endless. Find way. Free you. Reena harder cry. Why love after all? Raj cupped face. Not nothing. My heart. Reason live. Not broken. Fight for you. Small light in heart. Love beats money. Breaks cage. Held hand. Don't go. Never. Night pain but promise new. Strength for day. Not done. Free one day. Road dark. But Raj's love light. Held till end. Like, subscribe and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 7. Love's Gift. Reena held Raj's hand tightly, her heart heavy with fear. His steady voice gave her hope, promising to find a way to free her from Vikram's cruel demand of $80,000 for a divorce. Using his father's life savings of $40,000 and a bank loan to gather the money, proving that true love fights harder than any storm. With the money in hand, Reena faced Vikram, handed over the payment with a firm voice, walked away with the divorce papers, feeling the weight of her pain lift as she ran to Raj. Their love stronger than ever, ready to start a new life together, knowing they could face any challenge as long as they had each other. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the hype to hype the video. Chapter 8. Win the Battle. Free at last, Reena and Raj worked tirelessly, paying off their debt through long hours and small jobs, building a small clinic that grew into a successful business, proving that their love and patience could conquer any hardship. Years later, when Reena's regretful father appeared seeking forgiveness, she forgave him with a kind heart. Their story of rising from nothing to everything, filled with love, respect, and success, inspired everyone around them, showing that true love always finds a way to shine through the darkest times. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the hype to hype the video. The end.